a long ass.
Layup.
So he was like, oh, he said, I found the tournament. What time they play? The game. He said, yep, I got it.
Good. Okay.
Watch party.
Good, good. Help side, help side.
Then he said, I wish I had all their numbers and they knew who I was. I would text them and say, you got some NBA players, y'all better play for basketball.
Keep it up. No, sir. You got to lay up. You got to lay up. Good D. Good D. Let's go. Let's go, Mike. Strong, Reggie.
And I didn't even think about it because my son is 6 like, and, not quite fine to the table. I was like, man. Oh, no way.
Help side.
So they've got that garage camera that follows.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to figure out how next weekend is going to go. Kenny might fly out for Gavin.
Okay. Stop the ball. And it don't take much. Jay, you. Never mind, Nate. Get up. Let's go. Let's go. Go up, Mike. Go up. Go up. There you go. And one. Help side. Help side.
Mike, orange socks. What's 21's name?
Reggie. And then you got Jaden, 12. Good D, boy. Jaden, 12. And then Ant sitting on the bench. Big Ant sitting on the bench. Let's go. Work out. Help Caleb. Help Caleb. Help Jaden. Go. Good DJ. Reggie, bring it down first. Stop the ball. Let's go. Hey, that's all day. Can I tell you this all day? And one. Bucket. Let's go, boy. Show out. Show out. Help side. Help side. Help side. Help side. Nope, nope, nope. Work out. Let's go. D up. Yep. Good, Jay. Help side. Slide in, Jay. Slide in. Don't follow. Reggie, slide in. Good hustle, dude. Good hustle. Follow your shot. Jay, cut that off. Don't let him get in there. Run the baseline, Reggie. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. D up. D up. Help, Jay. Good D. Good D. Let's go. We go. Look up. Good hustle. Good hustle. Good hustle. Good hustle. Hey, y'all can't leak. Y'all gotta stay. Don't leak. Stay. Stay right there, Ant. Watch the baseline. Jesus Christ. Brother. Yo. Yeah, they playing right now. Yes, sir. Yep. Shiloh High School. Yep. Okay, that'll work, bro. Appreciate you. Yep. Stay, Jay. Stay, Jay. Sag, Reggie. Sag, Reggie. That's your steal. Strong with it. I like that. Hey, if you sag, that don't happen. Stop going. What's the score? How many threes they hit? Why you playing out there? Okay, then. Make it make sense. Let's go, fellas. Yes, you gotta, when you go back in the main gym, you gotta go up the stairs.
So, back to the
go
table.
Back to the table and then go up the stairs. Set stand right above it. Yep. Yep. I'm good, thank you. Yep. Baseline, Ant. Baseline, Mike. Baseline, Mike. Come on. God damn it. Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. Go, go, go. You talking too much. And one. Yes, sir. Way to be strong, boy. Let's go. There he is. Same team. Ah. Hey, bruh. Guard who's supposed to be guard. Guard who you supposed to be guard. Stop worried about all the talking. Fuck the talking, man. Guard him. You good? Relax. Oh, it's Reggie though. You know that's Reggie. You know that's him. Don't jump at everything, Reggie. That's what he's telling you. Sub at the shot. Hey, 5 out. Yeah, Mike. Good D, Ed. Let's go. There you go. Take off. And one. Let's go. Ah. Get up, Ed. Good move. Stay in the trap. Stay in the trap. Help, 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 help. Let's go. Let's go. Get in there. Get in there. I ain't gonna be tired. I ain't gonna be tired. Good D, let's go. Everybody stay. There you go. Good job, fellas. There you go. Way to talk, Ant. Help, Jay. Help, Jay. Right there. Right there. Stay right there. Your man ain't hit no shot yet. Let's go. Come on, Ant. Ant, screen, Ant. Screen, Ant. Follow it. Follow it. Caleb, follow your shot. Follow your shot. Follow your shot. Follow your shot. Let's go. Let them talk. Y'all up. Let them talk. We up 22. First one. Hey, that's their first one. Don't worry about it. That's the first one. Trying to do too much, man. God damn, man. Don't. Good help. Good help. Both of y'all, you got a rebound though. Under control. Bruh, you killing me. You know I'm recording. He's straight. Yep, I'll call you after the game, man. I'll call you after the game. Okay. God damn. You got help. Golly. Jesus Christ. We talk about this every day in practice. You got help, right? Okay. Give it out and get it right back. Give it out, give it right back. See? Get out your own head. Stay, Mike. Stay, Mike. Mike, now, Mike, right there. Yes, sir. That's it. Right back? God, give it right back to him. Good take, Jaden. That's all right. Go up, Mike. Yes, sir. See what I'm saying? Yep, keep your dribble, keep your dribble, keep your dribble, keep your dribble. There you go. Get it up. Good play, boy. Hey. Going too fast. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Get up, Reggie. I don't need that dribble. No dribble. Outside, Bug, outside. Push him to the outside. Push him to the outside. Exactly. And whoa, let's go, boy. Don't reach. Lay up. Yes, sir. Get up. That's all right. That's all right. D up. Good D, boy. Good D. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Good shot, Jaden. It's all right. Good hustle, boy. They called a foul? Hey, weak. That's what that was. That was a bailout. Okay, all right, long as you know. That was weak as hell. Good pass, boy. And well, let's go. Way to work. See? Hey, appreciate it, Caleb. You done got him out his head. I appreciate it. Yep. Hey, Reggie, go now. Go now. Oh, they missed. That's all right. That's all right. Get in there, Rich. Catch the ball. Get it back on D. You got your hands, see? You got your hands up. You could have been on the other end. Remember, hey, Reggie, remember, somebody watching you. You want to go to the next level, son. Okay, you can't sit there with your hands up. That don't work. All right, let's go. Five out, 5 out, 5 out. Let's go, 5 out. Good screen, Mike. Baseline, Jay. Baseline, Jay. Baseline, Jay. Yes, sir. Oh, he touched it, didn't he? He didn't touch it. My man didn't touch it. Okay, all right. Guess we ain't having no conversation then, right? Let's go. Good pass. Good lay. Watch your back. Good take, boy. Good D, boy. He hot. He hot, yeah. Hey, we good, Mike. Layup. Oh, come on, Caleb. I need that layup. I need that layup. Get back on D. Five out. Five out. There you go. Go back up top, Jay. Thank you. It's here. Hey, that 5 out works because of that. Good take, boy. And one. Yeah, Reg. Yeah. Good catch, boy. Caleb, what's wrong with the shot? Okay. Post up, Ant. Post up, Ant. Post up, Ant. Post up, Ant. Mike, move. Mike, move. Now, hey. There you go, boy. Talise. I got it on film. Knockdown. Let's go. Get back, Lem. Legs. Legs.
A little bit because he's winded.
Mm-hmm.
Gas.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, they are. But
What? Oh yeah, it did. These refs call the game quick. Terrible.